Hi, my name is Jeremy. I'm an industrial designer by training, public servant by day, and a passionate maker by night and on the weekends. So my friend wants a way to display memories on the wall. So the best way to do this is through a shadow box or a collection box or an adventure box or memento boxes. A bunch of different ways to call this thing, but basically what it is just a thick picture frame. So what we've got here is a frame from IKEA. Unfortunately, there's no slot on the top, so you can drop things into it. So that's what he wants me to help him with today. I'll add his little slot on the top, and then he's got a piece of acrylic that will go in the front that'll basically form the barrier so that stuff doesn't fall out. So that's what I'm going to do today, helping out a friend. Okay, so to cut the slot, I'm going to use this little track that I made in a previous project. Now, all of this is just a piece of plywood with some guide rails that are the width of the base plate of the router. So this will allow me to cut a nice straight, even cut in the top of the frame with start and stop points. So I'm just going to clamp that all down to the table and then just make sure everything's lined up properly, and then we'll get to cutting it. There's a little bit of chatter in the bit there, but otherwise got all the way through. So we'll just take the tape off and see what it looks like. Not ideal. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to just paint the inside of the MDF there, just so it's all black and hidden, and also kind of take care of that little notch. So I put a little bit of filler in there just to cover up any of the chatter that was happening. So just on that one spot, basically where the entrance point was. But gonna do that and then finish it all up. Okay, so all in all, this was a pretty simple project, but that being said, I don't think it was worth it, honestly. To put in a straight cut like this, if you don't have a router, if you don't have those kind of tools, and like it took longer, way longer than I thought. So yeah, like this is one of those things that the juices just isn't worth the squeeze in my opinion. So yeah, I mean, if you're gonna build this from scratch, right from the like ground up, then sure, why not? But like, yeah, just get one that's like already done, because it's just too much work, too much work for this. So anyway, that's that. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.